Out to my tech partner from China for sharing for making this possible. Big hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love skin or premature heartbeats, or people like kinda healthy but not really, this feature could be a real game changer. The Honor Magic 8 series wouldn't be complete without its perfect companion, the brand new Honor Watch 5 Pro. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Let's unbox it and see what makes this smartwatch so special. Right from the start, the box feels premium, smooth, sturdy, and well-crafted. Opening it up, the watch immediately stands out with a bold, rugged design. Inside, you'll find the usual paperwork, along with a magnetic contactless charger neatly tucked in. Now let's focus on the main star, the watch itself. Removing the protective film reveals a flat display with a tough, sporty aesthetic. The digital bezel combines glossy and matte finishes for a sleek, masculine look. The dual watch crowns feature a subtle red accent ring, and they're both rotatable, giving it that professional sports watch vibe. From the side, you can see the thickness feels just right. Not too bulky, but still bold enough to highlight a strong personality. The silicone strap continues that rugged design language, featuring a textured pattern that feels comfortable and durable. Turning it over, you'll find the sensor array at the back, and this is where the real innovation lies. The Honor Watch 5 Pro focuses heavily on heart health monitoring. Thanks to its ECG sensor, it can perform a complete electrocardiogram in just 30 seconds. And yes, it's officially certified as a Class 2 medical device. Pair it with the Honor Health app, and you'll get 24-hour heart monitoring with alerts for atrial fibrillation or premature heartbeats. For people like me, who stay up late, eat at odd hours, and constantly feel kinda healthy but not really, this feature could be a real game changer. Honor has even introduced a prevention and screening program that helps detect autonomic nerve imbalances early on, potentially reducing the risk of serious heart issues like myocardial infarction. Another smart addition is the one-touch measurement feature. Just place your finger on the sensor, and within a minute, it collects over 10 key health metrics, something that used to take multiple individual tests before. It's especially handy for anyone under constant work stress or dealing with sub-health conditions. The watch also supports 5-sense blood pressure monitoring, tracking your blood pressure trends throughout the day. If your readings spike, it'll automatically send you an alert. You can also perform manual single readings anytime. Of course, it wouldn't be an Honor watch without top-tier sports tracking. We won't go into all the details, but here's a standout feature. If you love outdoor activities and often venture into areas with poor signal, you'll appreciate the offline map import function. It even supports race route mapping, minimizing the risk of getting lost. Plus, the built-in AI Smart Coach gives you personalized running guidance, so you're never training alone. When worn, the Honor Watch 5 Pro looks stylish, yet versatile. Sporty enough for workouts, but classy enough for daily wear. Side by side with the Apple Watch, it's all about personal preference. Do you prefer the round design or the square look? Either way, the Honor Watch 5 Pro stands out as a powerful blend of style, health, and smart technology built for those who take fitness and well-being seriously.